Imagine walking into a place that feels like the future has arrived overnight. Okay, a place where machines no longer look like tools but like people. Where blinking eyes, moving lips, and precise gestures come not from flesh and blood, but from cold, intelligent metal. Welcome to the World Robot Conference 2025 in Beijing. Spectacle that didn't just showcase the future, it became it. This year marked the 10th anniversary of the WRC, and what unfolded there proved that the age of humanoid robots isn't just coming, it's already here. China transformed this event into a declaration of power, innovation, an intent to statement that it has moved beyond imitation and into total technological leadership. For years we imagined robots as fantasy, something from movies or hidden tech labs. But now, those same machines are walking, talking, and working among us, ready to change everything we thought we knew about labor, companionship, and even humanity itself. The moment the doors opened, the scale was breathtaking. Over 300 companies from across the world gathered, each eager to show how their humanoids could reshape industries and daily life. The hum of servos, the flicker of LED eyes, the smooth movement of robotic joint sit was like stepping into a parallel world where machines were learning to live. Among them, one name stood out immediately: Robotics. Their new model, the Walker S Lite, became one of the most talked-about robots of the entire event. This wasn't a robot meant for a display case. It was already hard at work. Robotics announced that its Walker S Lite humanoids were already operating in real car manufacturing factories, including major names like NIO, with flawless balance, visual recognition, and AI-powered navigation. These robots perform complex tasks that once required human precision. They lift, assemble, detect defects, and communicate with other machines in real time. They're efficient, tireless, and incredibly adaptive. Robotics even confirmed that more than 1,000 of these humanoids are expected to enter production lines across China next year. Think about that for a second. Bots and humans, side by side, building the cars of tomorrow, but one of them will never ask for a break. Then came one of the show's most exciting names, Robotics, the company already famous for its dancing robotic dogs that took the internet by storm. But this time, Robotics came to prove something much bigger. They unveiled two new humanoid robots, the H1 and the G1. The H1 is sleek, it's tall and graceful, capable of walking, running, and even performing backflips with smooth human-like movements. Watching it move was like watching evolution in motion mechanical perfection meeting human agility. But the G1 was where things got really interesting. Unlike other humanoids that cost a fortune, the G1 is being mass-produced at a price that could make it accessible to ordinary consumers. It's smaller, smarter, and incredibly versatile, capable of climbing stairs, jogging, and maintaining balance even when pushed. Robotics is openly planning to make humanoids as common as smartphones, releasing open-source software for developers to customize and control these robots remotely. They also revealed the Go2W, a hybrid robot with both legs and wheels, able to zip across floors at 30 kilometers per hour, then climb stairs without losing its balance. The crowd's reaction was electric. Of course, Tesla's presence was hard to ignore. Their humanoid robot, Optimus, was on display inside a glass case, not moving but still a powerful symbol of ambition. Elon Musk's dream of an affordable humanoid assistant is well known, but progress has been slower than expected. Tesla is now literally hiring people to wear motion capture suits and act out human movements so that Optimus can learn through imitation. It's a strange but fascinating idea, humans teaching robots how to be human. Musk insists Optimus will one day handle factory labor and household chores, but for now, it's still learning to walk. Still, the symbolism of Tesla joining this race is huge. It's a clear sign this technology is the next major frontier. Among the Chinese companies, one name drew an almost eerie level of attention: X-Robots. Their creations were so lifelike it was hard to tell where human ended and machine began. Standing face-to-face with one of their androids was unsettling. Its eyes moved naturally. Its face mimicked micro-expressions, and it reacted to visitors' smiles or frowns. X-Robots has mastered the art of human likeness. They produce about 500 humanoids a year, many used in museums and exhibitions. Each one costs roughly $200,000 and is custom-built using 3D scanning to replicate real human faces with uncanny precision. But they're not stopping at appearance. Robots is now working on emotional AI systems, teaching their machines to recognize and express human emotions. Their goal isn't to make robots that simply look like people, but ones that connect like them. Another stunning showcase came from Navi AI, which introduced its Humanoid, Navigator 2. Sleek, polished, and full of personality, it could play chess, serve tea, and hold a conversation with natural gestures. It's powered by processors capable of 275 trillion operations per second, faster than most desktop computers. Watching it perform felt like seeing the boundary between man and machine dissolve right before your eyes. Higher subsidiary, Qingbao Robotics, also turned heads with humanoids designed for frontline service robots that could soon replace receptionists in hotels or assistants in airports. They can handle check-ins, guide passengers, and communicate in multiple languages, all while maintaining a pleasant, consistent tone. The innovation just kept coming. Humanoid Robotics Limited took a different approach with its open-source Green Dragon Humanoid, a fully customizable machine built for developers. It's not just a robot. It's a platform for innovation, embodying a future of open, collaborative research. Then there was Huawei, the tech giant better known for its phones. Their Quavo robot, powered by Harmonios, is already being used in Neo factories for precision inspections. It's part of Huawei's vision of a connected robotic intelligence network, whereas one robot learns, all others update instantly. Imagine machines learning together, faster than humans ever could. We also saw Unix AI showing off a household robot capable of cleaning, cooking, and serving food. It's not a dream anymore. Home assistant robots are real and functional. With a walking humanoid version planned for next year, Expo, the first humanoid to ever walk the Great Wall of China, returned with upgraded sensors and AI, now able to handle uneven ground in low-light conditions, perfect for disaster response. Limex Dynamics brought its CL1 humanoid, engineered for adaptability in noisy, unpredictable real-world conditions, while Kepler Robotics presented the Forerunner, a humanoid built for industrial logistics. Priced at just $30,000 and expected to go into mass production soon, it signals that humanoid labor might soon become cheaper than human labor itself. The 2025 World Robot Conference wasn't just a tech expo, it was a turning point. We are witnessing the birth of a new era, where humanoid robots are transitioning from science fiction to an integral part of our factories, homes, and public spaces. The questions this raises are profound, but one thing is certain: the world is changing, and it's changing faster than any of us ever imagined. Thanks for watching. If you found this glimpse into the future as fascinating as I did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next deep dive into the world of technology. See you in the next one.